Hi friends, welcome to HR Tech. Today we are going to see how quickly we will learn the shortcuts in Excel. For example, if you want to do a simple pivot chart, usually what we'll do, we'll go to the insert, then we'll click pivot table, then we'll do OK. For example, if you wanted how many departments and number of departments persons in each department, just we will do this and we will get the result. So to avoid these many steps, what we can do, just you go here and this is the simple way and you can use it for any shortcuts. Just you need to click the alt key. So what you need to do, in keyboard you click the alt. So if you click alt, you can see all the shortcut letters. So for example, if you want to do pivot, just you press alt, then here it's showing N, insert, then all the shortcuts whatever you want it's showing, you click the V. So we want pivot table. So that's all. So if you click enter, that's it. Alt key, then whatever you want, just follow and do it. Okay, thank you. Once again, we'll see in next video. This is a very shortcut and a very short video. Definitely we'll go forward. Give your feedback and give your commands, whatever you doubt or whatever in day to day in your office work or regular, not only in HR, in any kind of Excel doubts or whatever you want, just you give a command. Regularly we'll update. Thank you. We'll see you again. Bye.